Hey everybody, Mark J. Larson Outdoors here. Finally getting out and do a little trout fishing. Our season opened here in Illinois last Saturday, so today's first day. It's Saturday, it's a week later. I'm just finally getting out. Got Monica Tiamoni Arts fishing with me, and we're using the power bait, if you can see that, but and just throwing it on the bottom. We went to another place earlier and caught a few there, but so we're gonna try to pick up our limit here, and I'm gonna put you on the chest mount here, and hopefully you'll see me catching some fish. But limit here in Illinois is 5, so hopefully we can catch a limit here. That'd be nice. All right, stay tuned. Just got the rods in the rod holders here, and I don't know, Monica's holding hers over there, but just getting set up. Let's see what happens. Monica's got one over here. Awesome, awesome. Finally, it took us a while. Bring him over here. There you go. They're not very big this year, but at least we're catching one. Oh, there's a good hook too. I can get that one out. All right.
Can I show him my fish? Show him my fish.
I'll get him on the stringer. My pole's probably getting ready to get pulled in the water over here. I'll get him on the stringer and we'll get back at it. Thanks for watching. All right, everybody. Back out here this morning. I was over here yesterday trout fishing, and they had a bunch of things going on here at this park. They had some music playing over there, so I couldn't do any filming because I didn't want a monetization claim. And we caught a few here. Then me and Monica went to another place, and she only caught one there. I didn't catch any there, but so I'm out here early this morning before anybody gets here, and water's calm as glass, so we'll see. I'm gonna get after it and try to catch me some trout before all the people show up. Got one. There we go. There we go. Nice little rainbow. Nice little rainbow trout. Yeah. Nice little rainbow. He swallowed it. I'm gonna have to get the pliers out. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Hopefully with another one. Got another one, folks. There we go. Not very big. Boy, that's the smallest one so far. Oh well. Here in Illinois, though, they stock them, and you're not supposed to throw them back, so I'll eat them. I'll put him on the string with the other one here. They are very good eating. Put him on the stringer. Go back and get us another one. Had a couple bites there. I don't know what's going on. Ooh, one just jumped right over here in front of me. Oh, here he is. Getting a couple bites now. Yep, I got it. Oh, he got off. Wow. That felt like a nice one too. I just see my power bait float up to the top there. I just got it back out and I'm already getting a bite. This might be quick here. There, I got him that time. Got one that time. There we go. Another one. Nice. Nice trout. right, get him on the stringer. And well, that's number 3, so limit's 5 here in Illinois, so we got to catch 2 more. Stay tuned. Oh, I got another one. This feels like a little nicer one here. Oh yeah, a little bit nicer. Trout. It's number 4. Yeah, that's a little bit nicer one right there. Can't get a hold of him. Alright, I'll get him on the stringer. I like to cook these on the grill, and if you haven't seen my video of cooking them on the grill, a lot of people say they don't like them. I'll put that link at the end of this video, but I love cooking these on the grill. I think they're just absolutely delicious. Using this this original Trout Nuggets power bait today, so yellow, it's yellow. There's different colors of it, but I'm using yellow. You can see a few of them out there if you can see them floating after it comes off, but I'm gonna get back out there and try to catch one more. We need one more for our limit. Stay tuned. There. He's hitting it. Got him. There's number 5, people. There's our limit. Nice. That didn't take very long today, actually. I've only been out here maybe an hour, if that. Come on. These smaller fish, it's hard to get down in there and get to that hook. Yeah, I just cut my line, but that's all right. I got my limit. Put him on the stringer. Put him in the bucket. Go home and get him cleaned. There you go. 5 nice little rainbow trout. Like I said, get them home and get them cleaned, and then we will maybe come back and see if Monica wants to catch her limit today. I'm done for the day, so maybe we'll come back and catch her some. All right, everybody, that's gonna be a wrap. I'm gonna head back home, get a little look at the pond here. It's in a park here, but they stock it every year. So I think that's gonna be a wrap, unless we get out a little bit later today if Monica wants to come catch hers. But there's ducks and geese all over here. It's been a beautiful morning. So really appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you get more of my videos, and I'll put the cooking video in the link. Really appreciate you watching, and till next time, good luck with everything.